Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. Today I have a colorful paper pack and die cuts for you. So let's get started. Brand new to my shop is the Paper Rose Studio, the Rainbow Twirl. And we have a wonderful, colorful 6x6 paper collection. And then there are two different die cut bags. So the Paper Rose Studio is new to my shop. This is a company in Australia, and they make these beautiful, beautiful designs. When I saw it, it reminded me of spring. So in this paper pack, you have double-sided sheets. There are 12 different designs, and they're in there 3 times. So look at this. Look at these colors, how vibrant they are. So beautiful. And then on the back, you have these watercolor washes. Beautiful, beautiful colors. So when I saw this paper pack, it reminded me of spring and Easter where I grew up in Germany. That was always a very colorful affair. We had months and months of gray and little sunshine and a lot of snow. So when Easter came around, everything was just colorful. Our dresses, the Easter eggs that we dyed, and the decorations that we had. So when I saw this paper, I was thinking I can make beautiful Easter cards with these papers. And the paper itself is it's cardstock, so you can make card blanks from those papers. I think there are 200 GSM papers. The paper itself is very smooth, so I don't know what type of topping they put on here, but you can even see there's a little glaze almost to it. So I don't know how stamps would work on it. I think you definitely would need the StazOn stamps. I have not tried that, but the paper is just you want to just pet it. That's how beautiful it is. So these are the papers, and then there are 2 die cut packs. This one here has all the reefs. So per die cut pack you have 4 sheets, and you can see they're all 4 different sheets. And then there is another one with all these beautiful flowers. Again, there are 4 of them in here, and all die cut. So when you turn them around, you see how they're already coming out of the paper pack. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? God, I love these. And I worked with the reefs because I really love the reefs. And here they are. And again, they're cardstock. They're the same smooth finish. So it just feels so nice in your hand. And yeah, let's see what cards I made with it. I had a lot of fun creating cards with this beautiful paper and die cut pack. So let's start with this fun fold card. I introduced that to you, I think, a couple of videos ago. I love this fun fold idea. So here is half of the 6x6 sheet with this beautiful reef. And yeah, and when I open it up, so basically I just cut away the front of it, a strip of 1.25 inches. And then here I added another strip of this beautiful paper, and then the closure here I just attached to the bag. And this little bunny came from my stash. This beautiful Easter basket is from the Easter stickers. I still have a few left, not many, but some of the Easter stickers are still left, and I'm going to link them below. And then I just added an Easter egg, but I think the paper really does the impact here. You could, of course, so that's what I didn't try. You could, of course, stamp something here and then cover it up. But even like that, I think it looks really cute and very, very colorful. Next, I made a slimline card. And with the slimline card here, I have used again half of the 6x6 paper. So this is a 3x6. These slimline cards from Photo Play I still have in my shop. They're just a little bit bigger, so they're perfect to use up your 6x6 paper packs, because when you cut them in half, you can see it leaves this beautiful white edge around it. And I offer envelopes with this pack. It does come normally without envelopes, but I do offer envelopes if you buy the Photo Play pack. So here I have just used this one beautiful sheet of all the different reefs, and then I kind of calmed it down a little bit with this spring green paper that I put through my paper crimper. And before I put it through my paper crimper, I added one of my gold borders. And then when you put it through the crimper, this is the effect. It almost looks like it was, yeah, it belongs there. So it definitely, I tried it first, putting it through my crimper and then at the border. It didn't look quite as good, so I tried it again by putting on the border and then with the sticker, put it through the paper crimper, and this is the effect. I think it's very nice. And then one of these gorgeous die cuts, and then birthday wishes, I just stamped and added it to my card with a couple of bling pieces here. But I think this is so friendly, right? This just talks spring to me. Now, if you feel like this paper is too much and too colorful for you, remember all you have to do is add a little bit of white and you can calm it down. And this is what I have done here. Here is one of these very colorful background papers, and I have this on a 5.5 by 5.5 square card. And this is a die that I have, so that cuts out basically this piece. But you could use any white on your layer so that you have a little bit of a calmer look. I added one of these, I think these are Anna Griffin stickers that I was gifted by one of my friends from my card making class. And then this cute little Easter bunny here, that comes from the Easter Bunnies Easy 3D Toppers pack. And these are all very fun. I really like this one here. Look at the cute chick in the basket, and here's the bunny. Here's the one that is painting the Easter egg. You know, we got them with a muffin sitting in a cup holder. That is so cute too. So beautiful designs, and of course there are 10 to a pack, all die cut and layered. And here is this cute bunny painting the egg, and the little bit of glitter that is on there comes already baked on these embellishments, so it doesn't rub off. And yeah, this is a stamp that I have, and then one of these butterflies. A few are still left in my shop. These are from Little Birdies, these beautiful glittery butterflies. And here is this card, and I think it makes a beautiful Easter or spring card. Okay, next I have made this card. So here I used one of these beautiful water color washed backgrounds. And again, I used a little bit of white. This is another die that I have. And I don't use my dies enough, so I'm always trying to, you know, find uses for them. So here I just dyed, cut out a piece of white cardstock and laid it on top of this gorgeous ombre colored background paper from the pack. Added a glitter border here, and these are the micro glitter borders that I have in my shop. And then this beautiful Easter egg comes from the Easter eggs with flowers, and there are 10 different Easter eggs in there, and each is just as pretty as the next. And here they are, and I used this one, the purple one, and then this little bunny that I added to it is also a die. And I cut out a lot of bunnies for my spring card making. This one here is from some glitter paper from Michaels. And then best wishes. So it doesn't always have to be Easter, but it could be, of course, a spring birthday as well. But I really like the look. I'm absolutely in love with this gorgeous, gorgeous paper. So for this card, I paired this beautiful paper with some wood grain paper. And that is also new to my shop. It is the Asuka Studio, and this company is from Japan. And I have this weathered wood and crystals, it says. Well, let's take a quick look how this paper looks like. And I think when you have very colorful paper like we do, then it is great to calm it down. So these are double-sided papers on one side, and this is almost like the same quality. It's very, yeah, I don't know what they do overseas. They have different paper versions. This is very smooth as well. I want to say it's almost the same type of paper. Anyway, so it's a 6x6 paper pack. And in there you have on one side this beautiful wood grain. And then on the other side, it's more like a marble color. So let's see, they're in there twice. Okay. Then check this one out. Really cute. And on the back again, a marble design, or almost like a snow design. I think you could use that for winter cards too. Here is the one that I used for my card. I like that rugged weathered wood. And then on the back again, there's marble. There is also some darker weathered wood. This looks almost like a birch tree wood. And then again, this would make, I think, a beautiful winter background too. And one more of a little bit of colorful wood and marble in the bag. So this is the, let's see, the Asuka Studio weathered wood and crystals, I want to say. I'm not sure what the crystals are, but I guess the crystals are these little dots here. That's maybe what they're talking about. With that, I created this card. So see how what I mean is like when you have this beautiful, so here's the second part of the wreath. So the first part, remember I had on my very first card. Here it is, right? So this is the first, this is one half and this is the other half. And so I added this to just a blue card blank. And then this cute bunny, which is also very colorful, that comes from the flower bunnies. And let's see, is it the flower bunnies? Yes, this is the flower bunnies. There it is. It sits right there. Because there is a second pack that is almost similar, and that's the cute bunnies. So these bunnies, you can see, are kind of from the same designer. And both I have in my shop. So we have the flower bunnies and the cute bunnies. And the cute bunnies are also with flowers. So they could be both flower bunnies. I guess they wanted to have two different names for it. There is just one all layered. 1, 2, 3. There's always 3 layers. So I have a little bit of dimension. One more of the little birdies, butterflies. And then the Hobby Spring I computer journaled and cut it out. So I really like that look too. The beautiful colored paper and this weathered wood. And here is one more card. Same idea. I have the gorgeous, beautiful little flower petals here all over. A little bit of the wood paper. And then 2 of the gorgeous wreaths that come. Well, there's not just, so there are wreaths and then there are also these flower, I want to say medallions maybe. I mean, just full of flowers, so pretty. And I added one more of the cute Easter stickers and put a little bit of a foam pad behind it. So I didn't use it as a sticker. I actually left the protective layer on there and then added a foam pad, so you don't have to use them as stickers. And then a Hobby Easter, and you know I created that myself because I was inspired by one of the paper packs a couple weeks ago. So I think that calms it down really pretty, but I just love the colors. I really do, and this speaks Easter to me. And because I love the colors so much, I did one more project. I'm going to go on vacation again in May. I have a round birthday coming up, and I would like to celebrate it with my family in Germany, so I will be gone for a few weeks in May. And whenever I go on vacation, I make myself little notebooks that I keep in my bag or in my purse, so I can take little notes. I can write down little shopping lists, things that I may want to look up when I'm home, especially when I do sightseeing. Maybe there's something that I want to look up at night. Then this is where I use it for. So it's just regular copy paper in here that I cut a little smaller than my cover. So the cover is 1 page of the 6x6 colorful paper. And because it is so smooth, it almost feels like you can wash off anything that sticks to it, that you put a little water to it. It has this, I just want to pet it. And then I just folded it in half. I rounded the corners to just because they're going to be beaten up anyway in my purse. So having a round corner is pretty good. A regular stapler will reach, and you can staple it from the front. So then this is how you fast it in there. And you can see this just, for my purpose, it's definitely enough. You could add a third one if you wanted to. And then here on both sides I added a little pocket because I had these papers left over, and I had this strip, and I made a bookmark with it that can stick in here. And then on the back there is another pocket, so that will go into my purse. Oh, and then this butterfly here, that was just a coincidence. I have these stickers, just a few, in my store. Let me check. There's a pack in my shop. This is not the Easter pack. This is a second one, and it has also all kinds of spring designs. But that color family here just goes absolutely wonderful with this paper pack. You can see every single one would have been a good choice with this paper because it has just the same colors on there. And there are just, I don't know, there's a lot of stickers in this pack. But you can see there is not one sticker that would not match. So I could have used, for example, this sticker here. There's even a penguin in here, but it is a spring penguin with flowers. Or this little birdhouse would have. So you get the gist of it. So I made this cute little book just because I love the paper so much. And here are my 6 cards again, plus my little notebook. I had a lot of fun creating these cards, love the papers and the die cuts. And if you like these cards and you like my video, I would appreciate if you're giving me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share this video with your crafty friends and family. So this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Please stay or get well. Happy spring crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.